Alright, so you're stepping into the world of tech, and there's this question everyone's asking in 2025. REST API or GraphQL? Which one should you learn first? Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you're at a restaurant. REST is like a menu where you have to order each item separately. Even if you want just a little bit of everything, you keep calling the waiter back for more. GraphQL, on the other hand, is like a buffet. You grab exactly what you want, all at once. Now, REST has been around for a long time. It's the classic choice. If you use apps like Instagram or Twitter, you're already using REST APIs without even knowing it. REST is super reliable and easy to understand. For every bit of data, you have a separate endpoint, like one link for user info, another for photos, and so on. But here's the catch: sometimes you end up with too much or too little data. Maybe you just wanted someone's name, but REST gives you their name, birthday, address, and even their favorite pizza topping. That's where GraphQL shines. With GraphQL, you tell the system exactly what you want, and you get just that. Nothing more, nothing less. It's perfect for modern apps where you need to be fast and efficient, especially on mobile phones with slow internet. So, which one should you learn in 2025? Here's my advice: if you're just starting out, go with REST first. It's everywhere, and almost every company still relies on it for their main systems. Plus, learning REST makes understanding GraphQL much easier later on. But if you love building slick, interactive apps like live chats, dashboards, or anything with lots of moving parts, definitely look into GraphQL once you're comfortable. In fact, many big companies like Facebook and GitHub are already using GraphQL for their newest features. Let's talk about job opportunities. REST is still the king, but more and more companies are adding GraphQL to their toolkits, so if you know both, you stand out. Here's a quick summary. REST is simple, sturdy, and everywhere. GraphQL is flexible, efficient, and growing fast. Both are important, but for 2025, start with REST, then level up to GraphQL when you're ready. Whichever you choose, just keep building, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. That's how you grow in tech. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips.